What up, everybody? It's your boy Jordan. We back again with These Muscles. Today I'm going to show you how to do scissors. Scissors are a core exercise that works out your lower abs, and it's a very easy exercise to do. So let me show you the exercise. First, you lay flat on the ground, but when you do this, put both of your hands under your glutes. Your glutes is your butt. Keep your legs straight. Now, scissors is very easy. So you lift your legs up a little bit. You just do scissors, one leg over the other. Very easy. Now with the left leg over the right leg, and the right leg over the left leg, that counts as one rep. I recommend doing this exercise 15 times for like 3 rounds, but like 10 to 15 second rest in between each round. So I'm just gonna show you one round how to do it. Remember, left leg over right leg, the right leg over left leg, that counts as one rep. We're gonna do that 15 times. I'm only showing you one round. Let's get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And that's how you do scissors. If you enjoyed the video, like, comment, subscribe. Also share this video. Follow These Muscles on Instagram @TheseMuscles. And These Muscles!